it's Adrian Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday at Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. And today I'm going to take you and show you some really good stuff going on in the restoration department. Follow me. Here's the way they start often. This is a 911. You can, well, most of a 911, and we've stripped it down, and this is what we've got left. Often a lot of this corrosion is all covered, and we've got to reveal it to do a proper job. So we strip it down, and this car's gone off and been dipped, and it reveals everything. All old repairs, rather too many hulls for my liking, but we'll solve all this. Lots of little things that are uncovered that you just don't see under the wings, under the paint. Next step is the metal fabrication. This is where we put the new metal in, we make everything square, straight, we fit it, we sort out all the gaps, and we get the car to a beautiful state, and the benefit goes into the way it comes out when it's painted. Just look at that, dead straight, absolutely sharp, and all that is due to the metal fabrication that went on before. Even great paint won't cover it. The next step is the fun bit, where we're beginning to put the cars back together. I don't know whether any of you recognise what this car is, but it is very special and one of three, and the devil is in the detail. There is an immense amount of detail that is hidden, things that possibly will never be seen again. For example, we've put the chassis number back into, we chalked it in under the dashboard. Why? Because if you're in it, you want to win it. It's if you're into the detail, then it's everything. This is the end result. This was a 930 that we did, and it was just beautiful. It was a gorgeous car to drive, and we look after cars from around the world. This 912 came to us from Hong Kong. It was a little bit of a Flintstones car originally, and we didn't make a full restoration on it, but we did add a lot of metal, changed the colour, added air conditioning to it, and made this car drive absolutely beautifully. So that's my bit in the restoration department for now. If you need any work done, if it's anything for a classic Porsche, you let us know. We've got a dedicated engine builder, transmission, obviously metal work. We're very, very good at reinstating cars after accident to their pre-accident condition, rather than just slamming them back together and getting rid of the dent. And of course, out in the workshop, we do all the regular maintenance and wheel alignment and corner balancing. We do everything. If you need us, get in touch. It's Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. Thanks for watching.